Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how to remap a drive on your hard drive. So this might be situations where, for example, I've got this external hard drive here, which you can see is currently mapped to E, but I actually want it to be mapped to drive M because that's what I had originally mapped it to, and everything such as Lightroom catalogs are pointing to that other one, not this one. So notice, for example, I get photo missing, previous location M. It's easy enough to do. Go to your start menu, click on that, and just start typing disk manager. And you'll actually see this one popping up, which is create format hard disk partition. Click on that. And you can see right here we've got all the disks that are on here. The one I want, of course, is that one that's mapped to E. Click on it, right click, change drive letter and path, E, hit change, go over to the drop down, check the one that I want it mapped to. Now, if you notice, not everything is going to be available because some stuff might already be mapped to something else. So that's why you might not see things on here. So you want to make sure to select one that is available. Hit OK. You're going to get the message here basically letting you know, hey, this might change some things. Hit OK. Now it's mapped to M, which is what I want. And you can see Studio Main's now mapped to N, and if for my issue, if I go back to Lightroom, everything's going to be mapped correctly now. That's it. That's all you need to do in order to change the drive letter path